Hi, I am Muhammad Natiq. In this video, I will show you how to recover Facebook deleted messages from Facebook Android app. You can follow same procedure on PC or laptop as well to recover all old messages, not only text but also videos sent in Messenger to other friends. Before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get updates about each new video. Now first of all, open the Facebook app and click on menu icon from the top right corner and then click on setting and privacy and open its setting. Now scroll down to your Facebook information to download your information. Click on download your information and here you can download not only messages but also posts, Facebook pages you followed and unfollowed and many other things. But in this video we are talking about only messages, so deselect all and select only messages. Then scroll down to the bottom and select data range from which you want to download the messages from. Select HTML format and then media quality as per your requirement, either low, medium or high, and create the file. As it's pending, it will take few minutes to create file and you will get notification about this to download when ready. I already created a file for this video. Let's download that and see messages. When you click download, it will ask your Facebook username and password to authenticate because the file is protected. It will be a zip file having HTML and media files, and you can open it using WinLayer or any other zip extracting Android app from Play Store. Now either open index.html file directly or messages folder and open any user conversation from inbox folder. Then you can open that user HTML file to view the conversation text messages, including media files like images and videos in the conversation which are already downloaded in a separate folder. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe my channel and smash the like button, and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.